Okay. Here the given determinant of sin square x cos square x 1 cos square x sin square x 1 minus 10 12 and 2 is equal to what here? You just adding these two columns here. So C1 gives here C1 plus C2. Therefore determinant of sin square x plus cos square x is 1 here. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Minus 10 plus 12 gives 2 here. These two column write as it is. So cos square x, then sin square x, and plus 12 here, 1 and 2. Then obviously these two columns are identical. So value of the determinant is 0 here. So first option is the correct option here. So here A and B are the two matrices here. Then the correct relation is what is? First option is A square is equal to B square. It is not possible here because here each term cos of alpha, sin alpha, and so on there means angle alpha here. In this case, angles are beta. Obviously, both are not equal here. A square cannot be equal to B square. First option is wrong. Second option, A plus B is equal to B minus A. A plus B means sum of these here. So just observe here cos alpha plus cos beta. Cos of alpha plus cos beta. B minus A means this minus this here. Cos beta minus of cos of alpha here. Obviously, it is not equal here. Cos alpha plus cos beta is A plus B means only sum of these two here. Then B minus A means this minus of this here. Obviously, both are not equal. Second option is also not possible here. Second option not possible. You just check here whether third one is correct or wrong here. A into B. A into B is equal to cos of alpha minus of sin alpha cos of alpha into cos beta minus of sin beta, then sin of beta and cos of beta. Therefore, this is equal to multiply this row with this column here. Cos alpha cos beta, cos of alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta here. Minus of sin alpha sin beta. Then multiply this row with this column here. Cos alpha minus sin beta minus of cos of alpha sin beta. Then minus sin alpha cos beta here. Minus of sin alpha cos beta. Then multiply this row with this column here. Sin alpha cos beta. Sin alpha cos beta. Cos alpha sin beta plus cos of alpha sin of beta here. Then multiply this row with the column here. Sin alpha sin beta minus of sin alpha sin beta cos alpha cos beta plus cos of alpha cos beta. Therefore, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is cos of alpha plus beta. So therefore, this equal to cos of alpha plus beta. And sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Sin alpha plus beta. So it is a sin of alpha plus beta. And here take a minus common factor. Here both the negative terms here take minus common. So write down minus outside here. Then sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Then it is a sin of alpha plus beta. Sin of alpha plus beta. And the cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is a cos of alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta. So this gives a into b. Then b into a. B into a is equal to, here b is a cos beta minus of sin beta. Then sin beta and cos of beta into the matrix. Cos alpha sin alpha, cos of alpha minus of sin alpha and cos of alpha. Then multiply row with the column here. So this is equal to cos beta cos alpha. Means you can write here cos of alpha into cos beta minus sin beta into sin alpha minus of sin alpha into sin of beta. Multiply this row with this column here. Cos beta into minus sin alpha. So minus of cos beta into sin alpha and minus sin beta into cos alpha minus of sin beta into cos of alpha. Then multiply this with the column sin beta into cos alpha. So cos alpha sin beta. Then plus cos beta into sin alpha. So sin alpha into cos of beta. Then multiply this row in the column here. Sin beta into minus sin alpha minus of sin alpha into sin beta. Then plus cos beta into cos alpha. So cos alpha into cos of beta. Therefore this is equal to, here cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is cos of alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta. Here both are negative terms, so take minus outside here, common factor. Then sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta becomes sin of alpha plus beta. Sin of alpha plus beta. And here sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Sin alpha plus beta. Sin of alpha plus beta. And cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is so cos of alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta. Just observe here, these two are same matrices here. Yes, we can write here AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to B. Therefore, your third option is correct. Here, if R of t is equal to the matrix cos t sin t minus sin t cos t, then R of s into R of t is equal to, first option is Rs plus Rt, second option R of st, third option R of s plus t, fourth option none of these here. So Rs into Rt. Here they given the matrix Rt here. Then the Rs means just replace this T by S here. This becomes Rs and Rt is same matrix here. Just write it here. Even here also multiply row with the column here. Just take a previous example here. Okay. Okay, just like a previous example here. Multiply row with the column here. We get this is a multiply this row with this column. We get this one here. Multiply second row with the first column, we get this one. Multiply third with second with the second column here, we get this one. So therefore this is a cos of s plus t. This is a sin of s plus t here. Minus common factor here. Minus keep outside. Sin s cos t plus cos s sin t becomes a sin of s plus t. And this is a cos of s plus t here. So just observe here, R of t is a cos t sin t minus sin t cos t, means all here, all the elements is here. Here each element contains s plus t. Therefore complete this matrix can be written as R of s plus t. So Rs into Rt becomes r of s plus t. Hence, third option is correct. Here, if A is equal to the matrix cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta, then A into A dash is first option is I, second option A, third option is a minus A, and fourth option is A square. In this case, A into A dash is equal to, here A is this matrix here, cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos of theta into A dash means transpose of this matrix here, transpose here. So cos theta, sin theta, write in the column here. Cos theta and sin theta. Then minus sin theta, cos theta, write in the column. Minus of sin theta, and here it is the cos of theta. Therefore, this equal to multiply row with the column. Multiply this row with the column here. Cos theta into cos theta becomes cos square theta. Then plus sin theta into sin theta becomes sin square theta. Then multiply this row with this column here. Cos theta into minus sin theta. Minus of sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So plus sin theta into cos of theta. Multiply this row with this column here. Minus sin theta into cos theta. Minus of sin theta cos of theta. Then cos theta into sin theta becomes plus sin theta into cos of theta. Multiply this with this column here. Minus sin theta into minus sin theta. So sin square theta. Then plus cos theta into cos theta becomes cos square theta. It is a cos square theta. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta cancels. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta cancels here. Therefore, this equal to cos square plus sin square is 1 here. And here 0. It is a 0 and this is a 1 here. Then obviously it is a identity matrix here. Identity matrix. Hence A is the correct option here. So here A is a given matrix here. And also they given A into adjoint of A is the matrix K 0 0 K. Then K is equal to what here? First option is 0. Second option 1. Third option sin alpha cos alpha. Fourth option is cos of 2 alpha. What to find here? Determinant of A. Here determinant of A is equal to cos into cos becomes a cos square alpha here. Minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha minus sin square. Minus into minus plus here. So plus sin square alpha here. And you know that cos square plus sin square is 1 here. Okay. Later we know that the standard result here A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay. Then A into adjoint of A is this matrix here. Therefore, write here K 0 0 K. Then this equal to, and the determinant of A is 1 here. So this is 1 into identity matrix here 1 0 0 1 here. So this is already 1 here. Therefore 1 into the matrix is 1 0 0 1 only. Then the equate it here. Therefore K is equal to 1. Therefore B is the correct option. Here P is equal to cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 cos pi by 4. And S equal to 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. Column matrix here. Then PQX is equal to first option column matrix 0. Second option again column matrix minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Third option column matrix minus 1 0. Fourth option minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Here P is equal to cos of pi by 4 here. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 here. 1 divided by root 2. Sin pi by 4 again 1 by 2 minus here. minus of 1 divided by root 2, sin pi by 4 1 divided by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 divided by root 2. Then find your p square. P square is p into pf. Therefore, 1 upon root 2 minus of 1 by root 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2. Right, once again the same matrix here. So 1 upon root 2 minus of 1 by root 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 divided by root 2. Multiply row is the column here. Therefore, this is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 upon root 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus of 1 by 2. Multiply this row is the column here. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus of 1 upon root 2. Then minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 minus of 1 divided by not root 2, need to. Okay? Need to. Okay, because 1 by root 2 into this one minus 1 by 2, this into this becomes 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Then multiply this with the column, this one. Multiply this column with this column. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2 here. Then this into this one plus 1 divided by 2. Multiply this row with this column. Minus 1 by root 2 into minus 1 by root 2. Minus of 1 by 2. Then this into this becomes 1 upon 2 here plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, this is equal to, here the both get cancels here. So it is a 0. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 gives minus of 1 here. 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 2 gives 1. And both get cancels, it is a 0 here. So this is a p square here. Then you find your p cube. Here p cube is p square into p here. So p square is the matrix 0 minus 1, 1 0 into matrix p is this one here. 1 by root 2 minus of 1 upon root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 upon root 2. Therefore, this is equal to, multiply row with the column. 0 into 1 upon root 2 becomes a 0. Minus 1 into 1 by root 2 minus of 1 upon root 2. Then 0 into minus 1 by root 2 is a 0. Minus 1 into 1 by root 2 minus of 1 upon root 2. Then 1 into 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 here. 0 into this is a 0. So plus a 0 here. Then this into this column here. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 into minus 1 by root 2 is minus of 1 upon root 2 here. Then 0 into this is a 0. So plus 0. Therefore this equal to minus 1 by root 2 here. Minus of 1 upon root 2. Here minus 1 by root 2. Minus of 1 upon root 2 plus 1 by root 2 here. 1 divided by root 2 and here minus 1 by root 2 minus of 1 divided by root 2. This is a p cube here. Then you find here p cube into x. P cube into x here. Here p cube is minus of 1 by root 2 here. Minus of 1 divided by root 2. Then 1 divided by root 2 here. Minus of 1 divided by root 2 into. Here x is the column matrix here. This one. 1 by root 2 and 1 divided by root 2 here. Therefore this equal to, here this into this here, multiply row with the column. Minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus of 1 by 2 years. Then minus 1 by root 2 into 1 upon root 2 minus of 1 by 2 years. Then multiply with the column here. This into this 1 upon 2 years. Then minus of 1 divided by 2. Therefore, this equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus of 1 here. This to get cancelled, remaining is 0. So minus 1, 0. So third option is correct here. Minus 1, 0. So A is equal to the square matrix here. And A plus the transpose of A is equal to identity matrix I. Here I is the unit matrix here of order 2 into 2 here. And it is a transpose of A. Here it means a transpose of A. Then the value of theta is what is. Okay. Therefore, here A plus transpose of A is equal to unit matrix. It is also said to be identity matrix also. So A is this matrix here. Cos of 2 theta minus of sin 2 theta sin 2 theta and cos of 2 theta. Then plus transpose of this matrix here. Cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, right in the column here. Cos 2 theta minus of sin 2 theta. Multiply this row in the column here. Sin 2 theta and cos of 2 theta is equal to identity matrix here or unit matrix 1 0 0 1. Therefore, adding these two matrices here, cos of 2 theta plus cos of 2 theta, 2 cos of 2 theta minus sin 2 theta plus sin 2 theta becomes 0. Sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta becomes 0. Cos of 2 theta plus cos of 2 theta, 2 cos of 2 theta. That is equal to 1 0 0 1 here. Then equating the corresponding element here, 2 into cos of 2 theta is equal to this 1 here. Take to right hand side here, cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 upon 2. If cos 2 theta is 1 by 2, then 2 theta is equal to what here? 5 by 6 here. Sorry, 5 by 3. 5 by 3, 60 degree. Take to right hand side here. So theta is equal to 5 by 6 here. So 5 by 6, first option is correct. 5 by 6.